In this video, I will be showing you how to connect Gemini to Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I navigate over to the bottom left menu on the Gemini page and click on Settings. From the menu that pops up, I select Personal Intelligence. On this page, I scroll down to Connected Apps and click on it to open my connected extensions. Next, I switch from the Google tab over to the Other tab, where third-party apps are listed. I scroll down to locate Canva, then toggle the switch on. An authorization prompt appears titled Connect Canva, and I click Connect to proceed. After that, another window pops up asking me to link an account to control Canva on any device. I click Continue. Then, I review the permissions screen and click Agree and Continue. A new browser window opens directing me to log into Canva. I select Continue with Google and choose my account. On the next prompt, I click Continue to authorize the login. Once logged in, I scroll down to review the permissions Canva AI requesting access to my account, then click Allow. A message then confirms authorization successful, and I can close this window and return to Gemini. Back on the Connected Apps page in Gemini, I see that the Canva toggle is now active. I click New Chat at the top left to start a fresh session. In the prompt bar, I type @Canva to invoke the Canva integration directly, followed by my prompt, create a thumbnail about Canva tutorial. Then I click Send. Gemini begins processing the request, defining design parameters, and connecting to Canva to generate design options. After a short wait, Gemini displays 4 generated thumbnail options right inside the chat interface. I review the options generated for me. To save one to my account, I go back to the prompt box and type 4th to select the 4th generated candidate, then hit Send. Gemini processes the selection and confirms that the 4th design has been saved to my Canva account. It also provides a handy direct link to open and edit the saved thumbnail in Canva. I click on the provided link, which opens the editable design directly in Canva's editor window, complete with editable text and graphics ready for customization. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to connect Gemini to Canva.